Good morning, viewers Uniska TV. Meet me, Taufik Rahman, to spread the news that happened today. Sweet and smell when Mark Zuckerberg belusukan together Jokowi. Jakarta. After a meeting at City Hall, President-elect Jokowi invited Facebook founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg belusukan to Tanah Abang Market Blok A. The blonde man looked enthusiastic when following belusukan Jokowi to Tanah Abang Market Blok A, Central Jakarta, Monday, 13 on October 214. Because come when the Pack House, the largest textile market condition in Southeast Asia, was seen crowded. Both also must get tight guard of presidential security forces or Pas Pampres because of the crowded of citizens who flocked to shake hands. However, such a situation would make Mark happy, thought Lord Sweet profusely from the heat in the market. Mark also seen waving as people shoot his name and Jokowi. Although difficult walking because of a hectic market condition, Mark still looks relaxed. Meanwhile, it is common that Jokowi belusukan just smile at people calling to her. After nearly half an hour to be in the market, Jokowi and CEO of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, equally wearing black card and leave the market before going down the stairs to exit. Mark and Jokowi had talked for a while and then returned to the City Hall with the Toyota Innova car ride usually takes when belusukan. Just that the news this morning, and you can get this news in www.uniskatv.com. My name is Taufik Rahman. Meet me again 1 hour later in the same TV, and I say have enjoyed next program and goodbye. Thank you.